ATCH stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. I am the only guy in this world that's done 47,000 videos over 5 years, and it's all documented. And because I have all the data, I've actually seen what's making me money and what's not. Then I spend tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors. Specifically this, yes, I'm still open-minded for longs. It sort of kind of gave me the pump. BE's got immediately hit, like straight up. And I'm not gonna give up on this long side idea. I mean, it really depends what giving up for you means, but for me, I'll definitely still look to buy as long as I see a proper double break confirmation, right? If I do not, then I'm not going to be doing so. Not going to be buying. But yeah, that's ultimately where I'm sitting at with ATCH at the moment. All I'm doing in the meantime is obviously just waiting for rules to be met. And if you do want to stay tuned, want to get free money making emails, insights, all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. It's free.